In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to an image banner in Shopify. Because Shopify's image banner section doesn't support actual video files, the trick is to first turn your video into a GIF, then upload that GIF and use it as the banner image. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. Start by heading to your browser and searching for a video to GIF converter. There are lots of free options available. In this example, I'll use an online editor like Canva, but you can use a similar tool if you prefer. Once you're on the site, look for an option that says something like Upload your video. Click that, then choose the video from your computer that you want to turn into a GIF. After it finishes uploading, it will open in the editor. Before you export it, make sure the final GIF will be under about 20 megabytes. Larger files can be slow to load on your site and may even fail to upload. To reduce the size, trim the video so it's just the key portion you need. Hover your cursor at the end of the video timeline until it turns into a double-headed arrow, then click and drag left or right to shorten or lengthen the clip. Aim to keep it short and looping cleanly for the best effect. Once you're happy with the timing, go to the top right corner of the editor and choose the share or download option. In the download settings, find the file type dropdown and change it from video to GIF. Confirm those settings, then click download and wait for the GIF file to fully finish downloading to your computer. Next, go back to your Shopify dashboard. Look at the menu on the left and click on Content. Under Content, select Files. This is where Shopify stores your uploaded media. In the top right area of this page, click Upload Files, then locate and upload the GIF you just created. Give it a moment to upload completely. Now, in that same left-hand menu, find Online Store and click it. On your current theme, click the option to customize or edit the theme. This opens your theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel of sections. If you already have an image banner section, click on it to edit it. If you don't, scroll to the bottom and click Add Section. Then choose Image Banner from the list of available sections. With your Image Banner section open, find the setting for Image 1 or Image 2, depending on where you want the animated banner to appear. Click the Select button next to that image slot. A media picker will pop up showing your library of files. Find the GIF you uploaded earlier and select it. Sometimes it can take a few seconds for the preview to load, so just wait until you see the animation appear. Look at the live preview on the right side of the screen to make sure the GIF looks good as your banner. Check that it loops smoothly, the important part of the video is visible, and that it doesn't appear too stretched or pixelated. If everything looks the way you want, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. Once it's saved, your Shopify image banner will now display that animated GIF, giving you a video-like effect right on your storefront.